We all know that men and women are different from each other. That much is solidly within the world of fact. And many of those differences stem from our biology. There are a good amount that could be chalked up to our environment, but that isn't the subject of this article. We all know this, but what exactly are those biological differences, apart from the obvious ones? Well, fortunately for us, doctors and scientists study things such as these. In healthcare, it is critically important to distinguish between men and women because they need different types of attention. From drug doses to emotional support, there are varying needs in every department, which is why doctors and scientists study this so thoroughly. They have to make sure that both men and women receive the best level of care. For our purposes today, however, we're more concerned with finding out what exactly those biological differences are. At least the less known ones. These are the differences that you were never aware of. They're not obvious, but they exist. And they define at least a little bit of the difference between male and female. So, without further ado, these are 25 biological differences between men and women that aren't commonly known. Number 25. Most babies born with birth defects are male. If a female has a defect, she still has another copy of that X chromosome. Number 24. Veins in males tend to be larger. Number 23. Males are 4 times more likely to be autistic than females. Number 22. Females tend to have more vertical foreheads, while males' foreheads tend to be sloped. Number 21. In males, fat gets deposited between organs. In females, it forms a ring around the abdomen. This is why you can typically tell someone's sex from an MRI, and why liposuction is easier in females. Number 20. Perhaps unexpectedly, males have longer eyelashes on average. Number 19. The first finger of a female's hand is usually longer than the third. With males, it's usually the other way. Number 18. Only females can pass mitochondrial diseases onto their offspring. Number 17. Males are 3 to 10 times more likely to stutter. Number 16. Although both sexes lose hearing on either end of the spectrum, males tend to lose more hearing of high-pitched sounds, while females tend to lose more hearing of low-pitched sounds. People have noted that as time goes on, males and females literally lose the ability to hear each other. It's a joke. Number 15. Females are significantly better at distinguishing between shades of various colors than males. Number 14. Blood flow is more evenly distributed in the male body. In females it is concentrated around core organs and the pelvic region. Number 13. There are about 1,000 genes that vary between males and females with regards to the liver. This is why the sexes process everything from alcohol to Tylenol at different rates. Number 12. Females tend to have a broader face than males. Number 11. The external occipital protuberance, the bump on the back of your skull, is bigger in males than in females. Number 10. The male jawbone is heavier than the female jawbone. Number 9. Some studies have found men to have more standard deviation in IQ. This has been spun by the media to partially account for why both more mentally handicapped individuals as well as geniuses tend to be male. Note: the media tends to draw more conclusions from inconclusive studies than scientists do. Number 8. Women tend to gather a greater proportion of their energy from aerobic respiration. Men tend to spend more time in anaerobic respiration, relatively speaking. Number 7. The top edge of the eye socket is much sharper in females than in males. Number 6. Females have better peripheral vision than males, while males are typically better at scanning. This is thought to have evolutionary origins, hunters vs gatherers. Number 5. During heart attacks, males experience the classic symptoms like chest and jaw pain, while for females the symptoms can be quite diverse. In fact, it can often be confused for heartburn. Number 4. Females' blood contains more water and about 20% less red cells. Number 3. Although female brains are better at many other tasks, male brains are geared towards giving them better spatial cognition. Number 2. Females tend to get motion sickness more easily, especially if they are pregnant. Number 1. Males die more from almost every disease except breast cancer, female reproduction disorders, and benign tumors. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like our video, please subscribe our channel. The story continue.